Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today I will show you how to change the language in the windy.com app. Perfect if you prefer weather updates in your native language. So first, open the window.com app on your Android or iPhone. Tap the menu icon at the bottom right. Then choose Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see Language. It might have a global icon next to it. Once you find it, tap on it. Now browse through the list like English, Spanish, Hindi, and a lot more. Tap your preferred language. Windy will reload it in that language immediately. And just like that, all menus, labels, and forecasts will be in your preferred language. But yes, if Windy does not list your language, try updating the app or check your device language settings. Windy may match your phone's default language. And that's how you change the language in the windy.com app. Easy. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe, and comment below what tutorial you would like next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.